The in-house reputation system used in Internet Explorer is markedly superior at blocking social engineering attacks than the Google equivalent used by Chrome, Firefox, Apple Safari. An independent test by NSS Labs has found, rating the browsers against a sample set of European malware URLs over 19 days in April. IE8 achieved a mean block rate of 90%, leaving Chrome 10, Firefox 4, and Safari 5 in the dust on 13% each. Opera, which uses technology from antivirus company AVG, came in last on 5%. When assessing Internet Explorer with applications filtering turned on, the results were even more dramatic, taking that version to a mean blocking rate of 100%. Internet Explorer's positive showing appears to be thanks to two embedded technologies: Smart Screen URL Filter, a cloud-based system that checks URLs against a master database. This is present in both Internet Explorers 8 and 9 and seems to work more or less identically in both. In addition, Internet Explorer 9 has added a second system, Smart Screen Application Reputation, which on the basis of this test offers browser users a remarkably effective level of download block protection. Chrome, Firefox, and Safari all use a rival URL checking system. Google's Safe Browser feed, which has previous NSS Lab tests have suggested, is now failing some ways behind.
Before we further go on, let us first define what is computer virus. Okay, computer virus is a computer program that can replicate itself and spread from one computer to another. The term virus is commonly, but erroneously, used to refer to other types of malware, including but not limited to adware and spyware, programs that do not have reproductive ability. Malware includes computer viruses, computer worms, ransomware, Trojan horses, keyloggers, most rootkits, spyware, dishonest adware, malicious BHOs, and other malicious software. The majority of most active malware threats are usually Trojans or worms rather than virus. Malware such as Trojan horses and worms is sometimes confused with viruses, which are technically different. A worm can exploit security vulnerabilities to spread itself automatically to other computers through networks, while a Trojan horse is a program that appears harmless but hides malicious functions. Worms and Trojan horses, like viruses, may harm computer systems, data, or performance. Some viruses or other malware have symptoms that visible to a computer user, but many are surreptitious or simply do nothing to call attention to themselves.
Internet Explorer is one of the most widely used web browsers, attaining a peak of about 95% usage share during 2002 and 2003. Its usage share has since declined with the launch of Safari 2003, Firefox 2004, and Google Chrome 2008, each of which now has a significant market share. Since its first release, Microsoft has added features and technologies such as basic table display, versions of Internet Explorer for other operating systems.
A program has to use an antivirus software. So this is how to remove an antivirus software. There are two common methods that antivirus software applications uses to detect viruses, as described in the antivirus software article. The first, and by far the most common method of virus detection, is using a list of virus signature definitions. This works by examining the content of computer's memory and its files stored on fixed or removable drives, floppy drives, or USB flash drives, and comparing those files against a database of known virus signatures. Virus signatures are just strings of codes that are used to identify individual viruses. For each virus, the antivirus designer tries to choose a unique signature string that will not be found in a legitimate program. Different antivirus programs use different signatures to identify viruses. The disadvantage of this detection method is that the users are not protected by the virus that are detected by signatures, and their method to find viruses to use a heuristic algorithm based on common virus behaviors. These methods has also give to more false positives than using signatures. False positive can be disruptive, especially in a commercial environment.